What's up, HEB shoppers and savers, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time saving with us. I am, of course, at HEB today, and I'm going to be taking you guys along with me and showing you all of the best deals that you can score using only your phone. That's right, all you need is your phone to score any of these deals, and you'll save 50% off or more. Let's head inside, and I'll break down the deals for you. All right, let's kick things off with our grocery deals. Up first, we have the boxes of Duncan Hines Dolly Parton's cake mix, priced at $1.97. And in the My HEB app, we have a $1 off unlimited digital coupon, making each box only 97 cents. For the next deal, you can grab 3 cans of Bush's Best Sidekicks beans, priced at $1.54 each. And in the My HEB app, clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy 2 cans, you're going to get the third for free. With that coupon, you'll be left to pay $3.08 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for 50 cents back for each can for a total of $1.50. That makes your final net total of $1.58, or roughly 53 cents per can. The 8-count packs of Mason Perrier sparkling water are priced at $6.98 each. And in the My HEB app, you can clip this unlimited $2 off digital coupon, leaving you to pay $4.98 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for an additional $2 cash back, making your final net total for one 8-pack $2.98. The Ibotta offer has a limit of 3, and if you purchase 3 packs in the same transaction, you will also get an additional $1 bonus on Ibotta. Next, you can grab a bottle of the Log Cabin Syrup priced at $2.99, as well as a box of the Pioneer Buttermilk Pancake and Waffle Mix priced at $3.08. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy the syrup, you're going to get the pancake and waffle mix for free. That'll leave you to pay $2.99 out of pocket for both items, or roughly $1.50 each. For the final grocery deal, you want to grab 2 cans of the King Oscar mackerel priced at $2.48 each, as well as 1 pack of the King Oscar Kipper Snacks priced at $2.88. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy 2 participating King Oscar products, you're going to get the third for free. That coupon will take off $2.48 at the register, leaving you to pay $5.36 out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt to Ibotta for 50 cents back for each can of the mackerel for a total of $1, as well as 50 cents back for the pack of Kipper Snacks. After all offers, your final net total for all 3 King Oscar products is $3.86, or roughly $1.29 each. If you're not currently saving with Ibotta, I do have a link for you to sign up down in the description below, and when you sign up and submit your first receipt, you will unlock a $5 welcome bonus. To start the personal care deals, you can grab our old friend here, the Renew Life 3-Day Cleanse Capsules, priced at $7.88. And clip this $5 off unlimited digital coupon found in the My HEB app. With that coupon, you'll pay $2.88 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $3 cash back, making this free and a 12-cent moneymaker. The Ibotta offer does have a limit of 2. Next, you can grab select varieties of Nature's Truth vitamin tablets priced at $4.97 and clip this $2 off unlimited digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $2.97 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $1.25 cash back. That drops your final net total down to $1.74 for the bottle, and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 3. You'll want to grab 2 Axe deodorants priced at $4.98 each for this next deal and clip this $5 off 2 digital coupon. You'll be left to pay $4.96 at the register, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents back for each deodorant for a total of $1.50. Since you are buying 2 deodorants, you'll also get back a $1 bonus on Ibotta. After all offers, your final net total for both deodorants is $2.46, or $1.23 each. This next deal requires you to grab the A&D Medicated Rash Ointment priced at $4.98. You'll pay the $4.98 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $2.49 cash back. That makes your final net total $2.49, and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. The 30-count bottle of the Rainbow Light Prenatal Multivitamin Tablets is priced at $10.52. And in the My HEB app, you want to clip this $5 off unlimited digital coupon. With that coupon, you'll pay $5.52 at the register, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $3 cash back. That makes your final net total $2.52 for the bottle, and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 2. Moving right along, you can mix and match any 2 bottles of the Finesse shampoo and or conditioner priced at $4.79 each and clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy 1, you're going to get the second for free. You'll pay $4.79 out of pocket for both, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $1 back for each bottle for a total of $2. That makes your final net total for both $2.79, or roughly $1.40 each. You'll want to grab one Shea Moisture Bar Soap for this next deal, priced at $5.98, and clip this $2 off digital coupon found in the My HEB app. You'll be left to pay $3.98 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 cash back, making your final net total for one bar $2.98. This tub of Natural Vitality Magnesium Drink Mix is priced at $12.48. And in the My HEB app, you can clip this $5 off unlimited digital coupon to grab each one for $7.48. You can also submit your receipt over to Ibotta for an additional $3 cash back, making your final net total $4.48. The Ibotta offer has a limit of 2. Here we go with the Dove personal care scenario, and the first item you want to grab for it is a Dove hand wash priced at $3.97, and clip this $1 digital coupon. Next, grab a Dove plant milk bar soap priced at $5.97, and clip this $2 digital coupon. To get the most bang for your buck, you also want to mix and match any 2 bottles of the Dove Amino Curl Repair varieties of hair care products priced at $5.84 each. You also want to clip this $4 off 2 digital coupon found in the My HEB app. The final item you want to grab is a bottle of the Dove Plant Milk Body Wash priced at $9.97, and clip this $4 digital coupon. Here's an example of what you should have in your cart for this deal, and the retail value for all 5 items is $31.59. Since you are grabbing over $15 worth of participating Dove products, you also want to clip this unlimited $5 off $15 basket coupon. You will reach that $15 threshold twice, so that coupon will take off a total of $10. After all coupons piggyback at the register, you'll be left to pay $10.59 plus tax out of pocket. You then want to check your fetch account for this offer for 2,500 points or $2.50 for each bottle of the Dove Amino Curl Repair hair care products for a total of 5,000 points. You also want to see if you have this offer for 1,000 points or $1 for the Dove Plant Milk Body Wash. Together, that's a total of 6,000 points that you'll receive on fetch, making your final net total for everything $4.59. If you're not currently utilizing Fetch to earn points on your grocery receipts to then in turn redeem for gift cards, I do have a link for it down in the description below, and when you sign up and submit your first receipt, you'll also get an additional 2,000 points. Moving into our next deal, you can grab a tub of the NeoCell Collagen Peptides priced at $12.97 and clip this $5 off unlimited digital coupon. You'll pay $7.97 at the register, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $3 cash back. That makes your final net total $4.97, and the Ibotta rebate has a limit of 2. For the next deal, you can grab a bottle of the Shea Moisture Body Wash priced at $11.98 and clip this $5 off digital coupon found in the My HEB app. You'll pay $6.98 out of pocket, but then you can submit your receipt over to Ibotta for an additional $2 cash back, making your final net total for one bottle $4.98. You can either grab a Dove or a Dove Men Plus Care Whole Body Deo for this next deal. These are on sale for $9.98, down from $11.98. You'll pay the $9.98 at the register, but then you can submit your receipt to Ibotta for $5 cash back, making your final net total for $4.98. If your store carries the cans of Solar Cane Maximum Strength Relief Sprays priced at $9.97, you want to grab one and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can then take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $4.99 cash back, making your final net total up to $4.98. You can either grab a Duke Cannon Body Wash or Duke Cannon Bar Soap for this next deal priced at $7.98. To get the most bang for your buck on this deal, you also want to grab a Duke Cannon Face Lotion priced at $12.97. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited Combo Loco coupon. When you buy either the bar soap or the body wash, you're going to get the face lotion for free. That'll leave you to pay $7.98 out of pocket for both items or $3.99 each. To finish up the personal care deals, I have some savings roundup scenarios for y'all. For the first scenario, you want to grab 2 bottles of Head & Shoulders shampoo priced at $3.67 each and clip this $3 off 2 digital coupon. Next, grab a Pantene Miracle Hair Care product priced at $7.97 and clip this $3 digital coupon. And finally, grab 2 Pantene Pro V hair care products priced at $4.97 each and clip this $3 off 2 digital coupon. Here's an example of what you should have in your cart for this deal, and the retail value for all 5 items is $25.25. Since you are grabbing over $25 worth of participating personal care items, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $25 basket coupon. With a total of $14 in digital coupons, you're left to pay $11.25 plus tax at the register. For the next scenario, you can grab 2 packs of the Olay Cleansing Melts priced at $4.94 and clip this $1 off coupon that'll apply to one of the boxes. You also want to grab a bottle of the Olay Facial Cleanser priced at $5.44, as well as an Olay Moisturizer priced at $9.97 and clip this $3 off digital coupon. Here's an example of what your cart should look like for this deal, and the retail value for all 4 items is $25.30. Since you are grabbing over $25 worth of participating Olay products, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $25 basket coupon, as well as this $5 off $25 basket coupon for select personal care items. After all coupons combined at the register, you're left to pay $11.30 plus tax out of pocket. Please keep in mind with these deals that the Savings Roundup basket coupon is limit 1 per account. For the third scenario, you can grab one secret deodorant priced at $6.97 and clip this unlimited $1.50 digital coupon. You also can grab a secret deodorant priced at $7.97 and use that same $1.50 off unlimited digital coupon, as well as a secret whole body deodorant on sale for $10.97 and clip this $3 off unlimited digital coupon. Here's an example of what you should have in your cart for this deal, and the retail value for all 3 items is $25.91. Since you are grabbing over $25 worth of participating personal care items, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $25 basket coupon. After all coupons apply at the register, you'll be left to pay $14.91 out of pocket, but then you can take your receipt and submit it to Ibotta for $1 back for each one of the regular secret deodorants for a total of $2. On Ibotta, you can also claim this $1.50 offer for the secret whole body deodorant. Once it's all said and done, your final net total is $11.41 or roughly $3.81 per item. For the final option, you can grab an Olay Super Serum priced at $29.94 and clip this $5 digital coupon found in the My HEB app. In addition to that coupon, you also want to piggyback this $5 off $25 basket coupon for Olay skincare products. There is one more basket coupon that you can piggyback, and it is the $5 off $25 basket coupon for select personal care items. So that's 3 different $5 off coupons, which will leave you to pay $14.94 out of pocket for one Olay Super Serum. Moving into our household deals, you can grab one Airwick Essential Mist Diffuser priced at $7.48, and you'll pay that out of pocket. You can then submit your receipt over to Ibotta to earn $6 cash back, making your final net total for one $1.48. Now, if you prefer, you can grab an Airwick Essential Mist Starter Kit instead, priced at $9.98. Just like the other deal, you'll pay that out of pocket and submit your receipt to Ibotta for that $6 cash back, making your final net total for one $3.98. Select Febreze Auto Air Fresheners are priced at $3.94 each. You want to grab one of those, and in the My HEB app, clip this $2 digital coupon. Once that coupon applies at checkout, you'll be left to pay $1.94 out of pocket. This next deal is only valid for the 7-ounce varieties of Purina Busy Bone Treats, priced at $3.98. You can grab a pack and pay the $3.98 out of pocket, but then submit your receipt over to Ibotta for $2 cash back, making your final net total for one pack $1.98. The Ibotta rebate has a limit of 5. To get the most bang for your buck on this next deal, you want to grab 2 2-packs of the Glade candles priced at $6.98 each. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited coupon that'll make 2 2-packs $10. You'll pay that out of pocket, but then submit your receipt to Ibotta for $2 back for each 2-pack for a total of $4. That makes your final net total for both $6 or $3 a pack. We have one baby deal to close out this video, and for this deal, you want to grab 14 bags of these Lesser Evil Lil Puffs priced at $2.98 each. Then in the My HEB app, you want to clip this unlimited $1 off digital coupon. That coupon will apply 14 times, taking off a total of $14. The retail value for all 14 bags is $41.72, but since you're grabbing over $40 worth of participating baby products, you also want to piggyback this $10 off $40 basket coupon. After $24 in savings, you're left to pay $17.72 out of pocket for all 14 bags. All right, y'all, that's going to do it for this week's Best HEB Deals video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have not yet, please make sure you are subscribed to my channel and that you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget too about the printable list down in the description below that you can print out and take to the store with you to make shopping all of these deals easy. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see y'all in the next one. Bye, y'all.